Dirty Pop.
Yo.
Sick and tired of hearing all these people talk about what's the deal with this pop life and when is it gonna fade out. The thing you got to realize, what we're doing is not a trend. We got the gift of melody, we're gonna bring it till the end. Come on now. About the car I drive, what I wear around my neck. All that matters is that you recognize that it's just about respect. Doesn't matter about the clothes I wear and where I go and why. All that matters is that you get hype and we'll do it to you every time. Come on now. You ever wonder why this music gets you high? It takes you on a ride. Feel it when your body starts to rock. Starts to rock. You can't stop dancing now. That's all you got. Come on now. This must be Dirty Pop, baby, baby, you can't stop. I know you like this. Dirty Pop. Now, why you wanna try to classify the type of thing that we do? 'Cause we're just fine doing what we like, and we say the same for you. I'm tired of feeling all around me animosity. Just worry about yours, 'cause I'm on your mind. Now people, can't you see? It doesn't matter about the car I drive or the ice around my neck. All that matters is that you recognize that it's just about respect. It doesn't matter about the clothes I wear and where I go and why. All that matters is that you get hyped and we do it to you every time. Come on. Never wonder why this music gets you high. Get you high. Feel it when your body starts to rock. You can't stop. You can't stop. That's all you got. Baby, come on.
This must be.
Ooh, man, I'm tired of singing. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty Pop.